Lucky, I'm here to show you something. Lucky. Lucky. Lucky, get over here. Get over here. We have to. Well, Lucky, we got to learn something here. Over here. Over here. Over here. Yes. Now we're here to show you not to eat a sock. So what will you use with this? Now, Lucky, here's a lesson. I'm trying to show you not to shred our socks. Because for the last month, we put socks on our hangers, we put our underwear, we put our pants. You gotta stop using our coat hangers and other things out there in the kitchen thinking that it's a tree house to play with. You gotta start learning not to eat this or shred it with your paws. Lucky. You're a few months old now, and it's time to learn. I'm here to show every of the viewers you should not eat my socks. Ow. That's gotta hurt.